Subscribe to see more videos from my end and click on that bell to get live notification. Out of the hotel and now we are heading towards that place where the shoot is taking place of Dil Chahta Hai. So let's see. और हाँ, ये है W होटल, बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस होटल है यहाँ पे। सबसे ज़्यादा यू विल गेट टू सी लॉट ऑफ फिल्म स्टार्स। आज भी कोई पता नहीं रुका हुआ है, फिल्म स्टार्स एक्टर्स यहाँ पे ही रुकते हैं। वन ऑफ द बेस्ट होटल्स इन गोवा एंड नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स दैट लोकेशन जहाँ पे दिल चाहता है कि शूट हुआ था। सो एक्साइटेड? यस। सो दिल चाहता है टन 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 टन। So let's see. I'm going to give you one nazara of outside also, how it is, what it is. Blue hotel है, Tapada W, and this is the actually entry of W hotel. We are getting out, so we are come to this place. बाइक्स एंड कार्स फॉर रेंट जैसे बाहर आते हैं हमको दिखाई देता है इतना बड़ा बोर्ड। एंड ये देखो टैटू सेंटर कहाँ है, इतना ऊपर। इट सीम्स इट्स दैट प्लेस ओवर देयर। दिस इज क्रेजी, दिस इज लाइक सुपर अप यार। ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर है। वो है गाइस, my husband is saying not to stop for a second also. मैं कहीं पे भी जाती हूँ शॉपिंग, कहीं देखती हूँ ना पागल हो जाती हूँ। So he knows that and he's telling me not to do this, not to stop anywhere. Wow, just look at these statues, how amazingly it's made. I don't know what. We all are tired है। ये तो शुरुआत है और आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या। We have to, इतना देर लगा यहाँ तक पहुँचने में, अभी वहाँ से ऊपर जाना है। Insane यार। It's halfway. We started climbing the rocks now. The staircase. तो प्यास लगना स्टार्ट हो गया। I have left workout. It's so difficult for me to even climb the staircase. We'll start working out again. बस I think little more and we'll reach.
See the beach, see the beach.
Yes, beach. You can see the beach out there. पहले थोड़ा और है। क्लाइंबिंग चल रहा है। Wow, we are about to reach. थोड़ा ही डिस्टेंस है and the view is worth a watch. मतलब हम लोग ने इतना मेहनत किया ऊपर चढ़ के, but worth a watch. पता नहीं वीडियो is doing a good job or not. My little one is shouting, coming. Called Kapura Fort. Actually यहाँ पे व्यू अच्छा है, but इतने सारे खड्डे हैं. It's just because of the sunrise and sunset. This is the location of Dil Chahta Hai shoot. Can you see? There's someone sitting over there. ये गाने में वो लोग वहाँ पे बैठे होते हैं। ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है। I'll show you how it is from top. See the sunset out there. हाउ ब्यूटीफुल, अमेजिंग, मतलब अमेजिंग प्लेस। सब यहाँ पे पूरा शूट हुआ है।
आ साइड जाओ।
The sunset out over here, plus the shoot which took place. It's amazing. Actually, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है. It's just all rocks, and obviously it's a fort. So, what do you expect? But it's become famous because of the Dil Chahta Hai shoot. If you're coming, you should watch this place once, at least. At least once. Mr. Ronald, how is this place? So, what you tell all the people to visit or not?
To come once.
To come once. फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में 2 लाइट्स बोले। अदवेज but yeah, you should come visit once. It's a nice place. दिल चाहता है टन टन। Getting to the same place where we went yesterday. The rock. Guys, back to back again rock pool. You can imagine ये जगह कितना प्यारा है. So when you're staying in W Hotel, I think this place is a visit. Back to back. सिर्फ 2 ही दिन रह रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Tomorrow we are heading to the resort. Back to back, same place. मुझे जगह actually बहुत अच्छी लगी है. I loved it. So we're heading now towards the same location. But I think जगह हम लोग change करेंगे जहाँ पे बैठेंगे. We'll sit somewhere else. Got this tent today. Yes, we were sitting somewhere else. ये मिला है. Where? Awesome, right? This place is.
So, this is the menu, including food menu also and drinks menu also. I'll come back by 5 minutes. Just check out my.
Just chilling inside.
वो सब प्रोफेशनल जिसका लैंग्वेज में कमांड है उन लोगों को, सबको मैसेज है। कल आ जाएगा, कल आ जाएगा।
Who's having a stick? That man. Talk to him. Why is he not talking? Say hello, man. What is he doing? Tell him get up. Get up from sleep. Talk to him. Why is he not talking? Shall I hit him in his bum? Oh, hello, mister. He's not talking.
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping. Mia's a big girl. So we are heading back to the room, and this place is always good. It's very relaxing. So I liked this thing about this place. I don't know in dark why I look so dark, but I think the camera's like that. Anyways, so I'm just heading towards the room now. Tomorrow we have a early checkout, and there's a 3 hours travel to the place where we're going. It's a new resort, and I don't know, my husband is not telling me where is he taking me and going. This also was a surprise. I came over here and I got to know the hotel's name. So tomorrow also when I go there, I'll come to know which resort it is. That is also one of the best known hotels or resort. I don't know, it's hotel also. Oh, it's a resort. No idea. And yes, today Shisha was okay. Food was okay. Yesterday was better. Yesterday the serving was hot. Today it was not. I don't know what it was, but yeah. Altogether, this place is nice. You should come and visit W Hotel. The Rock near the poolside and the beach is the best place. Must watch. And today, even I showed you guys Dil Chahta Hai, that fort. So even that is a visit. You guys should visit that to see the sunset at least, and to see the nature over there. The whole beach, the view is amazing, 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 not the word. And yes, this a long walk down the road, okay, lane, because vehicles are not allowed. So after that junction out there, the buggy will come and pick us up and take us to our rooms. So this place is inside the resort only. It's like 5 minutes away from the room if you're going walking, but if you're on the buggy, it's 2 minutes. I think it's 10 minutes while walking. Walk is more, but nobody walks till the room so far. There's a lot of walking out there, burping and YouTube videos also. But yeah, vlogging is supposed to be natural, so yeah, it's supposed to be natural, so it's cool. Anyways, the car has also come. This time it's not a buggy, it's a car. So let's head into our room. And today I'm planning to do 2 shoots before I leave from this place, YouTube shoots. Hopefully it gets done. Coming. बुलावा आ गया है, हमें बैठना पड़ेगा गाड़ी के अंदर. टान 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 टान. Oh, so yeah. Now why are you crying?
Papa's not coming over here.
Coming.
Go.
Cry. Cry more. Are you a crybaby? So we're heading to the room now. I'll get back to the room and get in touch with you guys.